I like to teach people to start with your retail price and then work backwards. Right now, even with the 25% tax that America has put on Chinese goods, there are good deals in China. There are good deals in Vietnam. It's a business choice. You have lots of options and you can build your supply chain, your business model in a variety of different ways. I like to teach people to start with your retail price and then work backwards.
Can you explain that a little bit?
Well, like if you're Walmart and you're selling t-shirts for $7, then you need to make it as cheap as possible in order to get some margin, right? But if you're like Palace or Supreme and you're selling your t-shirts for $100,
Right.
whether you make it for $5 in China or you make it for $7 in Vietnam,
Doesn't really matter.
yeah. You know, you can choose. If you have a good supplier in China and you just like working in China, then, you know, make them for $5 in China. But if you don't like China for some reason, or you found a great supplier in Vietnam and you like coming to Vietnam, then make them for $7 in Vietnam. At the end of the day, it's all about the consumer, the people who put that t-shirt on. And as long as you do the proper design and quality control and you make a badass t-shirt and people love it, whether your cost of goods sold is $5 or $7, it doesn't matter. What matters is creating a product that people love to wear, in the case of apparel, and you're making a good margin.